Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is Monday, January 29th at the close of New York. We're just after it, actually. Starting us off, oil, we just take a look, opened inside of its range below that close and initially trying to get up there, but for the most part, they just couldn't get anywhere. They got stuck between these two HVA edges and just pretty much ping-ponged around it. Plenty of opportunities for entries there, though, I will say that. But never getting to the close and finishing below it. We are net down on the day. Now, gold is in rollover. You can see there's just a large bar here. That's due to that switch of volume and participation that's occurring. There's that transparency you got to be aware of. It is in rollover, meaning there are two active contracts at this time being traded. But gold opened gap up and stayed up. They had a round trip for after they opened, stalled at this HVA edge, huge turnaround, shot down, turnaround, shot down. So they tried making a comeback to that close, but never even getting close. They didn't even get to that range from Friday. So we did finish net positive on the day in gold. Now the ES did eventually get to its close. It opened above it inside of its range. It was around here. It wasn't terribly far from it. But you can see they just fought this edge a couple times, got to the close, tested it again, and then they finally just broke through. And most of this action occurred within the last, I want to say 40 minutes or so. It wasn't, we didn't get far all day, and then afternoon, closer to the close, about an hour, let's give it an hour till the close, and it just does all of this within that hour. So Monday afternoons, it's very typical of this. Nothing much in the morning, and then, usually around 2 or 3, we see some moves like this in the afternoon, and it picks up. Giving trending entries for our students if they went after it. A random bit of volatility with no news to support it, but we did get to the close, and we are finishing positive. Now, the NASDAQ never did quite get to its close. I had an attempt to get down there, but never quite getting there. But it opened inside of its range. Let me scroll this back here. Had an initial dip down, and then they tried pushing that letter, getting up higher, and then it came back down, trying potentially to get to that close, and just never getting there, despite how many times they tried, even dipping even lower with a little bit of volatility, heading out to lunch, and then we just started that climb, much like we saw in the ES, and getting most of that participation in the late afternoon, or I should say expansion, not necessarily participation, but expansion. Quite a bit of volume this morning, but not as much, I would say, in this afternoon, but yet still more of an expansion. We are finishing net positive in that market as well. Positive NASDAQ, positive in the ES, positive in gold, and negative in oil. If you'd like to learn more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before and the methodology that goes with it, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with us at other location. We'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day. Look forward to seeing you there.